Welcome back to Global Bike Buzz, the ultimate destination for motorcycle enthusiasts around the world. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of a bike that has consistently impressed with its blend of style, performance, and reliability, the 2025 Honda CB650R. If you're someone who appreciates a motorcycle that bridges the gap between everyday practicality and sporty performance, then this is a bike you'll want to hear about. From the very first glance, the 2025 CB650R holds your attention. Honda continues to refine its Neo Sports Café copyright design language, and the result is a bike that looks aggressive yet elegant. The front is dominated by the iconic crown LED headlight, encased in a metal bezel that gives it a timeless, minimalist appeal. It's a blend of retro and modern clean lines, compact proportions, and sharp LED indicators that complement the bike's muscular stance. Moving to the side, the bike's silhouette is balanced and sculpted. The exposed steel diamond frame not only contributes to its aesthetic charm but also helps reduce weight while enhancing rigidity. The tank is sleek yet muscular, flowing naturally into the seat and giving the CB650R a compact, road-hungry look. You'll also notice the bronze detailing on the engine casings and the machined finishes, these subtle touches elevate the overall feel of premium craftsmanship. At the rear, the bike maintains its compact proportions. The tail section is short and sporty, with a tiny LED taillight setup that keeps things clean without being understated. The underseat lines flow nicely into the license plate holder, giving the rear a tight and aggressive look. The minimalistic fender and slim indicators add to the clean, uncluttered feel of the bike. Under the bodywork, the CB650R continues to impress with a 649cc inline-four cylinder engine, a configuration that's becoming increasingly rare in this segment. This engine is tuned for strong mid-range performance while retaining that smooth, rev-happy nature that inline-fours are loved for. It delivers around 94 horsepower at 12,000 revolutions per minute and about 63 Nm of torque at 8,500 revolutions per minute. It's responsive, eager, and surprisingly refined. Whether you're commuting through the city or carving through mountain roads, the engine provides a perfect balance of power and control. On the road, the CB650R feels planted and confidence-inspiring. The bike's suspension setup includes a 41mm Showa separate function big piston, SFFBP, upside-down fork at the front and a preload adjustable monoshock at the rear. This combo offers a nice mix of comfort and stiffness, making it great for both daily rides and weekend fun. The frame's rigidity and the bike's low center of gravity make handling sharp and precise, while the Dunlop SportMax Road Smart tires provide plenty of grip in both dry and wet conditions. Braking is handled by dual 310mm front discs with radial mount 4-piston calipers and a single 240mm disc at the rear. ABS comes standard, giving you peace of mind during hard stops or in tricky road conditions. The braking performance is strong, progressive, and very controllable, just what you'd expect from a bike that takes its performance seriously. The 2025 CB650R isn't just about performance though. Honda's also focused on comfort and tech. The rider triangle is neutral yet sporty, comfortable enough for long rides without sacrificing control. The seat is well padded and offers enough space for slight adjustments during long hours in the saddle. The new 5-inch full-color TFT display is a welcome update, offering crisp graphics, Bluetooth connectivity, and easy-to-read ride info even under direct sunlight. It's intuitive and customizable, adding a modern touch to an already well-rounded package. Now, let's talk about value. The CB650R has always been positioned as a premium middleweight, and the 2025 model continues that tradition. Pricing starts around $9,899 in the US and can vary depending on markets and optional accessories. It's not the cheapest in its class, but you're paying for a high-quality build, a unique engine configuration, and a refined riding experience that few rivals can match. In summary, the 2025 Honda CB650R remains a standout in the naked middleweight category. It doesn't try to be overly flashy or radical, instead, it focuses on doing everything well. It's stylish without being over-designed, powerful without being intimidating, and versatile enough to be your daily ride or weekend escape machine. If you're looking for a bike that strikes a perfect balance between heritage-inspired design and cutting-edge technology, the CB650R deserves a serious look. Thanks for watching this detailed review on Global Bike Buzz. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up,